Hello and welcome to my D&D 5e Spellbook application. This is a command line interface that I designed for my Phase 3 project for Flatiron School. Let me walk you through how it works. So we'll log into an example account. You'll see it pulls up our list of characters that we've created under this account. If we want to create a new character, it's real simple. Enter the character's name, their level, and their class. It will create a character page for that character. From here, we can go and look at the master spell list. Say we want to learn Sunbeam. Go to the page for it, and we learn the spell. And now it appears on his spell list. From here, you can go into the learn spells. You can select one, do it that way, or you can go to edit spells, select one to remove, and remove it right from that menu. The spell's gone. So that's about the gist of my application. It also has a number of filters that you can enter, uh, such as healing spells, attack spells. You can sort them by level, sort them by school, or sort them by class. So say we want some level 6 spells. You enter the spell's name to view it, and just like before, you just learn the spell, and it appears on the list. So that's my walkthrough of my application. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope you enjoy using it even more. Thank you.